So today I am trying to do avatar look, and I already washed my face. And now I'm applying the Skin Fix water cream moisturizer, just like a moisturizer, and I'm just gonna let it dry. And yeah, I have the product. I have a new beauty blender I'll be using. I have my laptop. I'll be using my laptop to watch more videos on how to apply it. I have for my face. This I've used it so many times for other things. This is my lip, and then setting powder. Cambi. I totally forgot that I had a white mirror clown white. You can see I've used my hand to touch it, but I've never used it before. But I'll be using it today. And then I have a couple of brush. I have some brush to help me get to it. It's gonna be my first time doing this, so I really pray that I do it well. So all the whole brush. This is eyeliner. So all the whole brush. I'm going to use it. And I'm laying them all down. Yeah, and then I got this stuffed glue. I think I've seen a lot of people use it on their eyebrow. Don't know if I'm gonna use it on mine. And then the rest of the things here, just other things. And then this is what I'm going to use to clean it up, like, you know, it's clean, like, you know. And then I'll do my face. So let's get to it. Down. Let me act like I love it.
Share you the look. It be like say you want land style today. Make the light touch this fine thing.